All right, now that you have successfully gotten into Google Classroom and verified that you can log into your typing websites, we're now going to just spend the rest of class doing some typing games. So in order to do that, the website you're going to go to, so I'm here in my URL bar, and I'm going to type in typing.com, so typing.com. Then once I'm here, I don't have to log in or sign up or do any of that. I'm going to hover over where it says students, and then I'm going to simply go down to typing games. And then when I'm in the typing games, I have 7 different choices here. The one thing I'd like you to remember while you're playing these typing games is to just really focus on trying to do all the right things with typing. So I'm trying to use both my hands and not just doing my 2 pointer fingers and working at typing with the correct finger placement.